Hello, I am Students Choose ICA.
My name is Ashwini Undre. I completed my BCom from Pune University. Later I was looking for a practical accounting and finance course. So 1 year after, I found the ICA Institute, know about ICA Institute from one of my friend. In ICA Institute, I joined a CI Plus course which contained SAP FICO also. In this course, they also teach you the deep knowledge about the TDS, GST, SAP Finance and Advanced Excel also. There are 8 stimulations. Modules. I got my dream job from this institute, which is in John Deere company, which is MNC company. Thank you.